Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Ugandan Kitchen in another video. Today we are making bagiya using gram flour only. I have made bagiya before using other different flours, mixing different flours, but this time round we are using gram flour only. So gram flour comes from a chickpeas, like you can see there. Once you get chickpeas, you grind it into flour, and then that is how you get the gram flour. Or you can just get it from a supermarket, or you can just look for it in the different spice shops. People be selling them, and here in Uganda they term them as buwunga bwa TZ oba buwunga bwa bagiya. So you get 2 glasses of gram flour, you sieve them, just remove any that may be in there, to remove any lumps and all that, and you are good to go. If it is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. Kindly help me grow by subscribing, like the video and leave a comment. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. It is back to school time, and these are some of the snacks that you can give your kids, that you can pack for your kids as they go back, especially the boarding school kids. So to that we add a little bit of salt and the turmeric powder. Turmeric, it is for the color, to enhance that brown bagiya color. Then you can add a pinch of sugar, because salt and sugar, they complement each other so well. You mix all that up, and then you add 3 tablespoons of oil. Then to that we start adding in water gradually. Do not add in the water all at once. You add it in bits as you mix until you have a very nice paste. To my returning subscribers, thanks for the love and the support. Thanks for liking, sharing and commenting. So gram flour can as well be used in coating, like you can see there for the potato coatings. You can use it just like any other coating. You can coat it on fish, you can coat it on rice balls, on cassava. It can really help you in the different snacks. Where you are supposed to be using wheat, you just substitute with gram flour. It is also gluten free, for someone who is trying to avoid wheat, avoid anything to do with gluten, and then gram flour is the best substitute, and you can make lots of snacks out of it. Let me know if you'd love to see some of the snacks that you can make out of the gram flour, and I'll be sharing them here with you. So that is the spoon we are going to use. It is a serving spoon that has holes in it, or you can use this bagiya machine. You can find it in the different Indian shops and also some supermarkets. Yes, you can try to look for it in the Asian supermarkets. It is kind of scarce to get it, but you can try looking it in those places. So once the oil is ready, you get this serving spoon, because it is something that is something that I found easy to use, or you can just get creative in whichever way with any of the item in your kitchen. So here we get the gram flour paste, and then we start squeezing it through that serving spoon that has holes in it, and just like that you are making the bagiya. You make sure that you press it, you squeeze it until it goes through those small holes into the frying pan. And once it is still soft into the frying pan, wait to flip it around, because you end up mashing it up. So after it has firmed like for 2 to 3 minutes, then you flip it around on both sides until it is nice and crunchy and it has browned well. And then you can drain it on a kitchen towel or paper towel, remove any excess oil that may be in there. And once it has cooled, you can go ahead and season with any seasoning that you would really love to enjoy with your bagiya, and just like that you are good to go. So kindly help me grow by subscribing to the channel, like the video and leave a comment. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. Let me know what you'd love to see on this channel, and I will find time and post the video. So here I was making other snacks, the plantain, the gonja snack. Just using a slicer, you get the plantain and then you end up slicing it all up and you fry it until it has browned a little bit, and you are good to go. So just like that you are good to go. And here, like you can see, our bagiya has cooled down and it is all flaky and it is really nice and crunchy. So just like that's very simple way to make bagiya at home without a and you are good to go. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Share with me what what are some of those snacks that you enjoy from wherever you are watching from this video. And yeah, you can now package them, you can now, seal them up, and this can as well be a small business for someone. Until next time, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.